Hello, welcome. So today I'm sharing simple tips on how to make this easiest DIY crinoline fascinator using your crinoline. Just 4 yards. This is what I'm using here. You can use more depending on what you want. Your feathers, your velvet, your gum, and Alice band. Your gum, it can be UHU or candle gum, whichever one you prefer. But in this video, I'll be using the candle gum. So like I said, it is hand free. I'm not going to use any thread nor needle. Yes, I'll just use my hand and see how I can make this simple fascinator without sewing, and just minimal gum that I'm going to use. So this is it. You just have to fold your crinoline into leaves. Yes, this is it. If you want it long, you make it long. You want it short, you make it short. So in this video, this crinoline that I'm using is double. A 3-inch crinoline and a 2-inch crinoline. Why am I using double? I needed this gold, this sharp champagne gold, and the cloth also has a rose gold, deep gold. So I have to buy this glittering 2-inch crinoline that is champagne gold, and I also bought the 3-inch crinoline that is a deep gold. So I have to combine the two to get the exact color that I was looking for. So this is it. You just fold your crinoline into simple long or short loops. So I was trying to get a long loop followed by a short loop followed by a shorter loop. Just look at it. It is arranged that way. The first one is longer, followed by the second one, not too long, followed by a third one, short, followed by a fourth one, very short. The last one, very, very short. So this is it. I said I'm not going to sew or use gum, so I had to use my rubber band to hold down the design. Yes, it's as if this thing was going one side, so I had to fold it to straighten it a bit. So now I want to attach feathers. If you look at this video time now, it's not up to 5 minutes since I started the video, and I already have my fascinator ready. So when I said it is a simple one, just do it yourself. You know, I would have used gum to hold this place, but I said I'm not using gum and I'm not showing that it is a freehand design. So I will use my velvet to tie around the bow. Like this is a bow now. You tie the center to hold down the design. You tie it in such a way that the two edges of the velvet will now serve as your veil when you wear the fascinator. So this is it. You have to take your time to tie it neatly and firmly so that it will hold down the feathers and also hold the crinoline. And also you arrange it such that the veil will properly fall on your face, and also maybe cover your head if it's a very long one, or you want it to cover your head like from behind. So I'm done doing this. Now the next thing to do is to attach Alice band. After properly arranging it, you have to test it and see how it looks on your face, such that when you put your Alice band, there will be no need removing it again. So I'm now using my candle gum to arrange the velvet, like spread it such that it will look very beautiful on your face. You have to spread it, open it up and spread it, and make sure that you do not allow any edge of the velvet to come under where you are pouring the UHU gum, where you are, yes, so that it will not mess up the net. So this is it. I'm done with the arrangement. So now I want to attach my Alice band. In place of Alice band, you can use elastic band. You can even use clip. If you want to use this as yes, hey, this thing, hair accessory, you can use clip, and you can make the lips shorter than this. It will be very beautiful too. Please remember to like and comment under this video. Don't forget to do that. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. I will appreciate to see your comments. How do you see this design? Is it simple? Is it something you can do? Do you like it at all? Please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So my fascinator is ready. It's ready. So that is it. You take your time to put the candle gum to hold the Alice band to the fascinator firmly so that it will not fall off. If you have a trimming that you want to use, like what I'm doing here, I'm attaching a trimming. This trimming is from the dress that I'm using this fascinator on, and I just attach it to the center of the bowl to give it a glittering look. So having done that, I am done. My fascinator is ready. I'm liking it already. I don't know if it's fine, but in my eyes it's simple. I like simple things, very simple things. So you arrange the feathers the way you want it to look. You can put more feathers, my dear, make it very loud. You know what feathers can do? It can make your fascinators look very fascinating. So you can attach as many feathers as you want to attach. Look at this. I'm done and I'm testing it. You just arrange your veil, yeah, depending on what you want. This is it. I like it. Do you like it? Leave a comment. So our fascinator is ready. This is the outcome. Thank you for watching my video, and do well to visit my channel from time to time for more video updates. Please give this a thumbs up if it makes sense. Thank you.